Good day mga igan, mga idol. In our previous video, I promised to share our travel experience in going to Roa City of Green Country Game Farm of Sir Martin Esculin in order to pick up our breeding materials. We started our trip in our farm in Barugo, Leyte, going to Palumpon Port and took the ferry para tumawid sa Pulambato Port in Bugo City, Cebu. Mula doon, nag-road trip kami papunta sa Port of Tabogon, Cebu para sumakay ulit ng Roro to Negros Island via Danao Port in Escalante City. After that, we headed to Bridco Port in Bacolod to catch a ferry to Iloilo City. Then from there, another 3-hour drive to Roa City to the farm of Sir Martin Esculin. Sir Martin Esculin graciously welcomed and toured us around his farm. Pinakitaan kami ng ilang sparring fights for our selection of brood stag. Pero I requested Sir Martin na siya na mismo ang pumili ng aming breeding materials. Sabi niya, o sige, ikot muna tayo at magpa-spar pa ng maraming fights para makapili kayo ng maayos at maganda. After several test fights, he gave us the Possum Sweeters crossed with Lemon Straight Comb brood stag and 5 brood hens of the same bloodlines, plus 2 Boston Sweeter pullets. After recording and leg banding ng mga birds, ay nag-pause muna kami sandali para sa photo ops at syempre, documentation na talagang galing sa farm ng gwapo at magaling ang ating mga materials. Sir Martin also facilitated the transport permit and the issuance of the necessary veterinary certificate, indicating therein each bird's leg band and wing band. At pinabisuhan din ang lokal na otoridad ng Barugo, Leyte para sa acceptance nila ng aming mga shipment. Nang araw na yon ay hindi pa ready ang permit that day, kaya nag-overnight kami sa Pontevedra, Capiz, sa farm ni Insan Marco Bermijo. Pinakain at pinahinga din namin ang mga ibon sa pen. Kinabukasan, pinakain din at inom namin sila muli bago ibalik sa carton boxes para ready na to travel. We left Pontevedra, Capiz around 8 p.m. bound for Dumangas, Iloilo. Naka-full blast ang easy ng sasakyan dahil sobra ang init. We arrived Dumangas at 12 noon in the morning, but mahaba ang pila ng mga sasakyan. Kaya more than 3 hours din kami nag-antay bago nakasakay ng ferry on the way to Bacolod. And we arrived at 6 p.m. in the afternoon. Then traveled again for about 3 hours to Danao Port in Escalante para sa Roro tawid naman ng Tabogon, Cebu. Then to Pulambato Port in Bugo City, and finally to Palumpon, Leyte, all the way to our farm in Barugo, Leyte. In all, we crossed the 4 islands of Visayas, from Leyte to Cebu, Cebu to Negros, and to Panay Island. Sa aming biyahe mula Leyte to Panay and back, it's raining most of the time. At minsan malakas na parang may bagyo. Pero buti na lang at mahinahon at kalmado ang dagat. During our stops, we usually open the windows of the car. And minsan, binababa namin sila para makalanghap ng fresh air. But during the trip, we did not give them any food or water. We arrived back in Barugo at exact 9 a.m. of the next day. Bali almost 1 day rin ang biyahe, one way, because of the delay and waiting time for the Roro vessel. Luckily, lahat ng birds natin ay alive at healthy. Masyado nakapagod ang biyahe dahil balikan lang ang ating ginawa at worried kami na baka ma-overstress ang ating mga alaga. But we are thankful that all of them are okay, and I can say that all the sacrifices, expenses, and the troubles we encountered are worth the trips and efforts that we made. Salamat mga idol, mga igan. Always remember that dito sa Brave Blood Game Farm, we are honoring traditions by breeding champions. In our next video, we'll discuss the traits and characteristics of our breeding materials as relayed to us by Sir Martin Isculin. Thank you guys and keep on watching.